Class 8th Standard. Suggest, English. 1.3 Trees are the kindest things I know. Dear students, we learn English workshop. Question 1. Pick from the poem words that rhyme with the following words. A. Fun, burn, sun. B. No, grow. C. Now, cow, bow. D. Sight, light, night. E. Fly, sky, lullaby. Question 2. Pick from the poem lines that create a picture in your mind. A. And in the spring, new buds of green. B. And leaves to burn on Halloween. C. They are the first when days begun to touch the beams of morning sun. D. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. E. And when a moon floats on the sky they hum a drowsy lullaby. Question 3. The poet refers to trees as the kindest things. From the poem pick out 5 facts which prove the kindness of trees towards others. 1. Trees spread a shade for sleepy cows. 2. Trees give fruits. 3. Birds gather on their boughs. Four. Trees give wood to build houses. 5. Trees give leaves to burn on Halloween. Question 4. Find words that describe the following. 1. Sleepy, cows. 2. Green, new bud. 3. Morning, sun. 4. Drowsy, lullaby. 5. Kindest, trees. Question 5. Pick out lines that mean the following. 1. Trees provide shelter for animals. Answer is. And spread a shade for sleepy cows. 2. Trees provide food for all. Answer is. They give us fruit, in leaves above. 3. Trees are most lovable. Answer is: trees are the kindest things I know. Four. Kids love to listen to songs from trees. Answer is: they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Five. Trees live a simple life. Answer is: they do not harm, they simply grow. Question 6. Think and write in your own words. Question 1. What living things can cause harm to one another? Name any 5. Answer is: living things that can harm another. 1. Human being to human being. 2. Human being to animals. 3. Animals and birds to the human being. 4. Birds to germs and insects. 5. Human being to trees. Question 2. Why are trees called harmless? Answer is: because trees never harm anything anywhere in the world, whereas they help all the living things on the face of the earth. They maintain the balance of the nature. They keep the environment clean and pure. They are very helpful to the earth and the living beings on the earth, so they are really helpful and harmless. Question 3. Halloween is a festival celebrated in many Western countries on October 31st. What is the season there? Why do you think is there a need to burn leaves on Halloween? Answer is: the season autumn in Western countries is during October. I think there is a need to burn leaves on Halloween to make fire and to ward off evil spirits from their life. Question 4. They are the last to hold the light, when evening changes into night. Which part of the day is referred to in the above lines? Which part of the trees hold the last light of the day? Answer is: the period between day and night. Evening is referred to in the above lines. The buds of the tree hold the last light of the day. Question 7. Search for a short poem about trees in your mother tongue. Write it in your notebook and translate any 2 stanzas from the poem into English.
कवितेचं नाव आहे सुंदर झाडे. झाडे, सुंदर झाडे, आमचे जीवन आहे. ते सुंदर झाड आहेत. ते आम्हाला अन्न देतात. ती आमची झाडे आहेत. आपण काळजी घेणे आवश्यक आहे आमच्या सुंदर झाडांची. ते चांगल्या गोष्टी आहेत. ती आमची झाडे आहेत.
Trees poem, translated in English. Trees, trees, lovely trees. They are our life. They are lovely trees. They give us food. They are our trees. We must take care of our lovely trees. They are gift of good. They are our trees. Question 8. Your neighbor is having a huge old banyan tree chopped down to make space for another construction. Write an imaginary conversation between you and your neighbor, trying to stop him from having it cut down. Myself said, "Good morning, sir. I am very disturbed and upset to see you having this good old banyan tree chopped down." Neighbor said, "No, dear, this tree is of no use. Now. It's too old." Myself said, "No sir, being too old it's more useful. It has been providing us oxygen for years and years." Neighbor said, "That's true, but there is no option for me." Myself said, "Think about birds who build nest in it, children like us who play under its shade. Cattle who rest in its huge shade." Neighbor said, "You are right dear but." Myself said, "Besides it has been maintaining balance of nature, controls pollution in our area." Neighbor said, "Yes dear, you have opened my eyes. People have been worshipping it for years and years. I don't want to hurt anybody's sentiments." Myself said, "You can extend your construction at the back and save this precious banyan tree." Neighbor said, "Sure my dear. Now I understood its value. We will protect it." Myself said, "Oh, that's great. Thanks sir for being so kind."